Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam / God Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 18. Haven't had any updates in a while because the weather hasn't been cooperating. It's been extremely cold here in where I live. So today we're going to start working on sanding down the chest and back, making it nice and smooth so I can prepare that for the first layer of filler primer. And as you can see, I've got a lot of post work to do on here. So this is going to take some time, so let's get sanding. Okay, so I've got everything sanded, so now I'm going to take the filler primer and I'm going to put a quick layer of filler primer on there just to basically get an idea of how much more post work I need to do. So let's get painting. Alright, so now we're going to sand down the entire suit after all the bondo work was done. I'm going to smooth it out as best as I can and try to see how much more post-processing work that needs to be done. So if you give me a second, I'll show you what I have done and what needs to be done. Okay, as you can see here, everything is in its rough state. I just need to go through with my electric sander and regular sandpaper to smooth out all these seams. And then hopefully when I do a layer of filler primer, that should be good. And I still have some more bondo work that I need to finish up. Like right here, I need to finish putting some in there. I need to put some here to cover up these layer lines. And then just generally just sand the suit down again to see how I am doing so far. And I'm hoping the weather isn't going to be a problem because currently it's kind of cold. I thought it was going to be warmer today, but it's supposed to get a little warmer later today. So hopefully that'll work in my advantage where I'm not using too much of the hardening cream or not using enough, because I've done that before where I didn't use enough and I had to go back through, scrape all of it off, and then redo it. So let's get working on the bondo and sanding. Okay, so I have the entire chest and back sanded down, primed, did a layer of bondo on there, and then went through, sanded again, and then did another layer of filler primer on there. So now I'm all done painting. Here's the front part, completely primed, and it's ready for its first layer of paint, which I'm going to paint that in a layer of red. Then I'm going to go to gold, and then I'm going to do the final color, which is white, yellow here, yellow here, yellow here, yellow on the vents, red, and I think it's blue up here. I have to check my reference pictures to make sure I get everything correct. And here's the back. You're not going to see all back here because you're going to have the backpack on there, so I don't have to worry about it too much. And then, like I said, it's white up on these Vulcan cannons, then blue, then red down here, and I think it's blue in here too, but it really doesn't matter because, like I said, the backpack is going to be there. So that is it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.